Hello children. Hi, how are you? I'm going to the next part of the Everyone is Special. In the first part, I explained half of the lesson. A remain lesson, I'll go through the reading. Again, I will explain it. Look at here in the textbook. Once I will read, again you can repeat in your seeing by your textbook. After the camel with the crow on its hump has walked for a while. The crow again feels thirsty. Crow. Oh no, I'm thirsty again. Where can I get some water? Camel. It is hard to find water in a desert. You find it in very few places. Crow. Okay, let me try and walk. My goodness, this sand is very hot. The crow starts flying again. Crow. Good God, it's so hot that I am unable to walk or fly. How do you live here? Are you not feeling hot? Camel. I have fur on my skin which protects me from the harsh sun as well as the cold. Also, I have padded white feet and I don't feel the heat of the sand. If you are too tired, just sit on my hump. Crow. Oh no, I'm hungry now. What about you? Can we get some food? Camel. I do not feel hungry. There is food in the form of fat in my hump. It's difficult to get your kind of food here. It is night. The weather is cold now. Crow. Don't you feel cold? Camel. Didn't I tell you that my thick and furry skin keeps me warm? Crow, it seems that you are very special. The camel is tired and he wants to sleep. The crow sleeps near the camel's warm body. The crow wakes up the next morning. Now he has realized that every animal is special in its own way. Okay. See, in previous class I thought the crow is blaming to the camel. You are ugly. You are not good. You are not looking good. You are not beautiful. Like a teasing. Is it no? Even camel also said to the crow, should not talk like that. But it never mind. It always blaming to the camel. What happened next? The camel is said everyone all the living being has special. It's a god's creation, but the crow is not believed. After the camel, the crow on its hump has walked for a while. The crow again feels thirsty. So when the drank camel and the crow water in one of the pond in the desert. After some time, the crow feels thirsty. So it asks to the camel, where can I get some water? But the camel said, it is hard to find the water in the desert. Yes, all in the all places of the desert, we cannot get the water. Only few places we get the water in the desert. That places is called the oasis. Okay, but the crow is asking, let me try to walk. My goodness, like asked, and it came down and tried to walk on the sand. But it's too hot. It cannot walk, and even it cannot fly on that place also. The crow, good God, it's so hot. I'm not able to walk or fly. How do you live here? Are you not feeling hot? Asking to the camel. The camel said to the crow, I have a fur on my skin. It can protect from the hot sun and even as cold also. And it had the padded legs. Okay, padded white feet, no? So it can not it cannot make feel the heat of the sun. Okay, like said the camel to the crow, if you want to, if you are tried, you can sit my hump like us to the camel to the crow. Crow said now, oh no, I am hungry now. So what about you? Can we get some food like us the crow? The camel said, I do not feel hungry because it has hump no. So they form the fat and it can drink water and it can store the water also on the hump. So it cannot need the hungry. It cannot need the food always. But when it's night, the weather is very cold in the desert. In the daytime is very hot and in the nighttime is very cold weather in the desert. So the crow feeling very cold. So but the camel, it cannot feel cold. Why? Because it have the thick fur skin. So it makes them very warm. So that's why the crow said, oh, it looks very special. You looks very special. Again, the camel tired, so it wants to sleep. Even the crow also sleeps near the camel's warm body. Again, wake ups in the morning, the crow, it said, and it can realized. That means it can felt observing the this from the day, and it can understand the camel is the very special. It cannot the ugly animal, it was very special to the agree the crow. What is special? Special means it's not ordinary, different from the what is normal. So the camel is very different. So camel is also very special, even the crow also very special. Not only that two animals, even all the living beings, even human beings also, each and every person, they are very special. Okay, choose the correct word. It is the beginning of the dance season, summer. The crow is flying above a desert. The crow calls the camel ugly. The crow finds it difficult to walk because the sand is very hot. The crow finally realized that every animal is special. Okay, I'll give the answers for this and you can copy down and you can understand or read well. Every day you can read the textbook and the notes. So don't delay to read. And write the opposite, up opposite, down, fast, slow, above, below, a little, more, sit, stand. Even still more have able, unable, happy, unhappy, connect, disconnect, believe, unbelieve, like, dislike, do, undo, real, unreal, protected, disprotected. Okay, when question tag also you have to write dash do you live? I live in Delhi. That is the answer. We have to write the question. Where do you live? If you ask where, there will come the place. Okay, second question answer. I am 6 years old. So what should ask in the question? What is your age? Then third one answer see first. My best friend is Sonia Karuna. So third one question is who is your best friend? And the fourth one, I will go to my native place in my summer vacation. Where will you go to your native place? When will you go to your native place? I will go to my native place in my summer vacation. Okay, she is much better these days. How is your mother's health now? Okay, these are all the questions. what, who, what, how, where, when. Okay, we are using this and to form the questions. I hope you all understand well this lesson. Next class I'll give the new lesson. Okay, bye children.